Hey there, everyone. Welcome to TechViztory. Today, we're diving into a cool topic that affects all of us: online cybersecurity. So, let's start from the beginning. What exactly is cybersecurity? Defining cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is like a digital shield that safeguards our online world. It's our knight in shining armor, protecting our computers, devices, and all the things we do online from those who want to cause mischief. Think of it as a guardian that ensures our digital lives are secure and our virtual adventures remain worry-free. Why cybersecurity matters? Imagine having a secret journal with your deepest thoughts and cherished memories. You wouldn't want anyone else peeking into it, right? Well, in the vast realm of the internet, we have our own personal treasures, passwords, messages, and important stuff. Cybersecurity comes to the rescue, shielding us from unauthorized access, helping us maintain our privacy and keeping our online experiences as delightful and secure as possible. Real-world examples. Let's explore some real situations where the power of cybersecurity becomes apparent. Back in 2017, there was a significant breach where hackers infiltrated a company's computer system, pilfering private information from millions of unsuspecting individuals. This incident served as a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the importance of bolstering our cybersecurity defenses, protecting our personal possessions, and upholding our digital fortresses. Types of cyber threats. In our ever-connected world, there are various ways in which individuals attempt to disrupt our digital harmony. Phishing is like a cleverly disguised masquerade, where scammers pretend to be our friends, tricking us into revealing sensitive information. Then there's malware, a devious virtual bug that can wreak havoc on our digital lives, stealing our data or causing mayhem. But fear not, for cybersecurity equips us with the tools and knowledge to fend off these digital adversaries. Layers of protection. Picture cybersecurity as a formidable fortress, a harmonious symphony of cutting-edge technology and tried and tested practices. Firewalls act as impenetrable walls, allowing only authorized entities to cross over into our digital domains. Encryption acts as an invisible cloak, guarding our data from prying eyes. And intrusion detection systems stand as vigilant sentinels, ever watchful for any signs of trouble. Together, these layers form an impenetrable shield, ensuring our online world remains safe and secure. Basic cyber hygiene. Much like caring for our physical well-being, there are simple yet effective steps to maintain our online safety and security. Use strong and unique passwords, for they serve as the keys to our digital kingdoms. Be cautious of strange emails and sketchy links, much like inspecting something before picking it up from the ground. These small acts of prudence go a long way in preserving our digital sanctuaries. Securing personal devices. Our phones, laptops, and tablets are like treasure chests, holding our digital lives within their confines. Remember to safeguard them with a special code or the touch of your fingerprint, ensuring only you can unlock and access the riches they hold. Give your devices the armor they deserve. Safe internet practices. The internet can sometimes resemble a bustling marketplace, where whispers can be overheard by unintended ears. When using public Wi-Fi, practice caution, much like carefully choosing your words in a crowded place. And remember, not everything is meant for the eyes of the world. Be mindful of the personal information you share on social media. Embrace the power of privacy. Being a responsible digital citizen. Let's extend kindness beyond the physical world and into our digital endeavors. Respect the privacy of others, as you would wish for your own. Be vigilant against the spread of false information, for truth is a guiding light in the labyrinth of the internet. And if you witness someone being unkind online, stand tall and speak up, for a safer online community begins with us. Cybersecurity challenges. Cybersecurity isn't without its challenges. Hackers constantly evolve their tactics, and staying ahead can be tough. Additionally, human errors can sometimes lead to vulnerabilities. Data breach impact. The fallout from a data breach can be devastating. It can lead to financial loss, identity theft, and damage to reputation. Securing Internet of Things, IoT, devices. Remember, it's not just our computers at risk. Smart devices like cameras and thermostats need protection too. Global nature of cyber threats. Cyber threats don't respect borders. They can come from anywhere and target anyone, making global cooperation crucial. Cybersecurity industry growth. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is rising as organizations recognize the need to protect their digital assets. Government's role. Governments play a role too. They set rules, enforce compliance, and facilitate information sharing. Conclusion. In the ever-changing world of cybersecurity, staying safe is a team effort. By being vigilant, informed, and proactive, we can protect our digital lives from threats. This is TechViztory, signing off. Before we sign off, if you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on all things tech and cybersecurity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TechViztory. Your support means a lot to us as we continue this journey together.